Sweetheart, there's nothing we can do about it. I'm sorry. Well, baby, for all we know, he's the one who killed the chicken. Well, it's still alive for right now, but I don't know if it's going to be alive in the morning, sweetheart. Huh? The worst days often have the greatest beginnings.
Look, who's that coming over here?
Why did Mommy take them in last night?
Well, the guineas are going up in the tree now.
They're guarding the property. It's about to become winter.
It's fall. Well, almost fall. It's really pretty. It's nice and chilly out, huh?
I can't reach.
Here, I'll get the tall part. You want to get the door? Release the chickens.
Can I try catch one?
Go for it. The wheelbarrow's this way. Oh!
No! Stop!
That's right. Defend us, Yeti. Good boy. That's right. Empty it all out. Huh.
Yeah, but it's not real because I work with you almost every day.
You do what?
I work at school almost every day.
That's right.
But I don't work out with you anymore because I haven't know how many times.
Well, we're going to get back into that, huh? All right. Need him help? Oh, you got it.
No!
Oh, you're okay. Uh-oh.
This is one.
Oh, was it this one? Buck, what are you doing? Are you pretending to eat it? Why are you eating that hay?
Oh, no.
We put the animals out in the morning like we always do. We were going to be gone for the day, and we didn't get home until too late. Where's Rua?
Go to bed. I told you to go to bed.
The dogs are here, but we're missing a chicken. Snow, drop it! The chicken was hanging from her mouth, and she was very shaken up.
I can go get some hay.
It took us many minutes to see just how bad the injuries were. Rather than put her down, we thought we'd give her a night, see if she would improve.
Hey.
Our daughter was so upset about Rua being gone and the chicken being injured. And only a few minutes later he showed back up, but he was bleeding from his ear.
Rua, why are you all black?
Oh, the lilac snow drifting down so soft
On his
and
belly.
slow. Outside my window, I watch it go. Oh, the lilac snow. And though the world may seem so still, it's coming in the distant chill. With memories of
He's not bleeding under his ear. Under his ear. Why is he bleeding under his ear? You don't think that
Well, Rua's back outside for today, and you can kind of see where all that blood was on his ear, and I still have absolutely no idea what led to all of this. I don't know, maybe it's mud or something like that being all over them. And then my little chicken killer here, maybe. We're about to find out. I have no idea yet. All right. Come on, you beasts. Rua was back. I forgot to make a video on that. Also, Rua disappeared. So after Rua had disappeared, I started thinking, well, that's where my chicken went. Until Snow came around the corner of our back patio area with the chicken in her mouth. Last night we put it into the crate.
It walked for a little bit.
It walked briefly, and we put it inside of a crate thinking, well, if it's gonna make it, it's gonna make it. We're gonna see how it does overnight. So here we are, 8 hours later. We're gonna open it up and see how the chicken's doing.
Is dead? Is it?
I've got no license left, cause I drove against drugs. This is how things go when I'm on the road. Drive like I'm all alone and think I run the show. Cause I got a lot to learn and to go somewhere. I need to do my prayers. I need to find out how I can give into faith. Place my hands to pray. God will lead the way. Cause all shit smells worse in the summer. So free when I come through the yes to a family, yes to a child to be, yes to this life I'm here. No,
While my wife was filming me put some water in the bucket for the animals, Buck couldn't help but try and attack her. She missed that part on camera because she was running away from him, but I decided I would stand up to him myself.
Is your hand okay?
Huh?
Is your hand okay?
Yeah. He thought he'd ask my wife if she's up for a challenge. Cut it out. Cut it out. Eventually I decided I would just make him submit by holding his head down. For those of you who are wondering why I'm going toe-to-toe with the animal, I'm showing him who the real boss around here is.
Making him submit.
We can't be having an aggressive animal around here thinking that he's the alpha. He needs to know that there's someone more powerful than himself. I won't be tolerating an animal attacking my wife or my child. Now he's getting mad.
He's getting mad or you're getting mad?
He's getting mad. After about 20 minutes of this, I tried a new approach. Cool it. Look. Hey. Cool it. We can be good. We can be good. We can be good. We can be good. Yeah, that's what I thought. Buck. Meh. Meh. Come here.
Maybe he, like us all, when we get a little upset, just need a little bit of love in return to cool off the fire.
Relax.
The gentle April rain that stained the window panes last night is all but gone, but lingers on in scented clouds of air. We watch the town awaken
Goat pee-pee hug!
to
Goat pee-pee!
morning light. You're so near, and spring is everywhere. We danced until the stars came
I already rinsed off in the
In the water. When you're building up a homestead, the goal is an ecosystem where everything is balanced, works out well together. But unfortunately, sometimes it doesn't quite work out that way. And we've got some messes on our hands that, that we're going to have to get to work on. I've mentioned before the fencing and everything that I need to get finished, and I think that'll be a start to the solution, but we have to get to work because our ecosystem is not really eco-friendly at the moment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.